Hi everybody, I wanted to make this video because I want to talk to you a little bit about Clear Start and what they did for me. I started off with Clear Start with almost $13,000 worth of IRS debt. I had never owned the IRS my whole entire life. I retired, and because I misunderstood the tax laws and didn't realize they weren't taking taxes out of my Social Security and a few other issues, within 2 years, I owed the IRS almost $12,000, and I panicked because I had worked for 45 years and never ever owed the IRS. So I contacted Clear Start, and they worked with me every bit along the way. Every time I called, they answered. They had questions for me when I got letters from the IRS. They asked for copies of them. They dealt with them. And then I never really had a problem. And then I was contacted by Clear Start letting me know that my case had been settled. They've been really good to me. They have answered, like I said, answered the phone, my questions. So anyway, guys, that's my case. And I wanted everybody to know they worked well with me. I was very happy. And I've had nothing but great service from Clear Start. So good luck, everybody, and I hope it works out for you. Have a great day.